Hi there, Tweetie here. Just want to introduce myself, and BirdDog's over in the other room. So if you hear him, you might want to just shout out to him on the comments down below. Anyway, we're here to talk about all kinds of ways to save money instead of having to buy new things. And so keep a lookout at the end for my special secret stuff that you can save a lot of money, and you're going to be glad you got these. Anyway, the other thing I want to tell you is that I want you to look out for a card at the top, because it's going to link you to another place that can save you money in a whole different way during the holidays if you celebrate those kind of things. Anyway, let's get going. The first items you'll be looking for is anything that would go into a first aid kit. Tweezers, magnifying glasses, flashlights, batteries, ace bandages, anything like that. Next, you'll be looking for candles, any size, shape, color, doesn't matter, even if it's been burned a little. If they're big and they look ugly, it doesn't matter. In the middle of the night when you want some warmth, that candle's going to come in handy. Even crayons, because the paper on the outside can be the wick. Next, garden tools, rakes, shovels, trowels, hose, buckets, snow shovels, anything like that to help you garden and keep up the grounds around you, to help bury your trash or whatever. Next group is medical supplies like braces for your wrists, your elbows, your ankles, special slings, crutches that might be adjustable. One's for kids, one's for adults. Next group is kind of weird. It's clothing, it's backpacks, umbrellas, ponchos, hats, rain gears, shoestrings. If you tie your shoes with shoestrings, you're going to want to have at least a few supplies on those on hand, because you may not be able to buy more shoes. So look for shoes also. Even if you're not wearing them now, you can put athlete's foot powder in the bottom of them and let them sit in the back of the closet, and you'll be much better for it later if that's the only thing you're going to be able to trade into. Next is blankets, sheets, patchwork quilts, yarn, because those yarns and quilts and sheets and blankets can be made into ponchos or shirts or diapers or toilet paper. So anything that's got sewing kits, needles, threads, scissors, anything like that for supplies. Next one is canning and cooking equipment, manual can openers, cast iron skillets, stainless steel pans, Dutch ovens, even packages of foil pans. You might also want to throw in that group solar yard lights that haven't been used, because you can have that inner battery there and you can set it out during the daytime, bring it in the house at night if you don't have any electricity. The last group that we have on the list is books, board games, puzzles, jigsaw puzzles, playing cards, Old Maid, anything like that, educational books, word search puzzles. Last on the list is Bibles. Get different kinds of Bibles. There's NIV, there's King James, there's the New American Standard. Get several different versions, because when you're sitting all alone and you're wanting to contemplate the next world, having different types of books, when you set them all in front of you and read the same verse out of each one, you'll get a fuller understanding without having to have somebody over you preaching it, because just one interpretation can lead you down the wrong road. Anyway, that's my list for this training for the beginning preppers, and I hope you have got a lot out of this one. And now, if you can pause a moment, we're going to have Tweetie's secret stuff. The secret tip for this time is paper. Whether it is colored paper or craft paper or blank certificates, cardstock, does not matter as long as it is blank paper. Notepads, all of those can be used for origami, maybe some journaling, or writing a story about what it's been like to go through 2020, or sending a love letter, or talking to your younger self about what to do in these days. There's lots of things you can do with paper, and so you're going to want to stack a lot of it around, and if push comes to shove, it can become toilet paper. Anyway, want to thank you for coming along on this ride. Please subscribe, give us a like, and it's been nice. Hope you have a blessed day. Angels all around. Bye now.